If you know a little bit of machine learning and have some experience in machine learning, I'm sure you're dying to know about deep learning. And that is what we'll cover in this workshop, Introduction to Deep Learning using Keras. This workshop would be conducted by Xander. Xander heads data science and machine learning at ML6 in Belgium. He also runs a very popular YouTube channel called Archive Insights. And the beauty is, so he has a PhD in deep reinforcement learning, and he has this ability to break complex concepts into very simple takeaways. And that's the reason why his YouTube channel is so popular. So Xander will take you through basics of deep learning and then start building on that. So he will cover basic MLP, and then he would start getting into nuances of deep learning, how to tune your models, how to build your models, CNN, RNN and various architectures. We'll provide you with the required hardware as part of this workshop. So you will get the GPUs. You don't need a machine with GPUs to run these models. Everything would be done on cloud. So as long as you have a machine which can connect to internet, you are good to come to this workshop. Again, this is a very popular workshop, so it would happen on 24th and 25th of November, and Xander will be taking you through deep learning concepts on both these days.